financial, we have done the moral.
That's right.
We have done the social.
That's right.
Now, unware to what we have done, not take something out of it.
Definitely.
Very important.
O may say previous ones, so I'll call you YouTuber.
Be a pen, you want a macano. You have seen that, okay, when Tina may say my warrior, no. What is the way forward?
That's right.
The foundations can be corrected.
Okay.
Let's say dying. Who's in a class, but correct, no, you won't fine. We move on. The foundations can be corrected. And because of that, remember me, I'm going to give out my number.
Okay.
Because there are a lot of people who are calling here and asking that, okay, we want to talk to counselor now.
Sana Kingdom so dear boss Black, I salute you guys. Please, can you ask your guest to kindly give us his contact?
Fantastic.
So dear Bedu Agnes says, please ask counselor about the person that helps to cut the cake. And also, do you need any special person?
There's somebody who has somebody whose marriage is stable.
So and Karim so say good job, counselor. Yaira Sebefia say hello, counselor and Black Eye. No, so dear Bani say you are indeed a counselor and know what you give out. This our generation takes everything for granted these days, and that is the most reason why we have so many broken homes this time. We really need these teachings to open our minds before. And actually, Abani say, good evening. I love this message. God bless the counselor Gilbert. Can he say, how about someone who has done all and still facing spiritual attack? And a Rajan so Abisa ni say,
yes, so
Mame Efian so say wise counseling. Thank you, Counselor Oscar Sripi. Powerful message. Onyamia no can say pray says this man is good. In fact, he has the word. Assemble wisdom. God bless you. Ketre says God bless you for saying the truth. Michael Bright says God bless you. Counselor Abu Kwaku says hello. Jerry and Jerry Mo and Emiana Mitrem there. This is what we call counseling. Onyamia Kwane can say Yagbeto says blessing spoken word that has divine aid. And message is never no 1,000-fold.
So with that leading there, no,
that's it.
Just hubia that can take you through deliverance.
That's right.
Because sometimes people cry before no dreamy and also no being in there.
Yeah.
Go through deliverance service on a section.
That's
in deliver because one thing here at the end soon no dano on warrior oni ukunu na were they be no come.
That's right.
And that alone can affect the marriage.
That's right.
So nyamiadum person on me cast after the program now 0276 814 888. Now, Papa Benson won't Tom, Jeremy. But the pressure is coming, and then they're lucky. So the foundations can be corrected. We'll go through a process. You can move on with your marriage. 0276 814 888. 0276 814 888. And I say, Oko Reverend Counselor Oscar Siripi. Siripi SIRIPI. SIRIPI. We call me Facebook page now. We can take it from there. One person Mikasa is 0276 814 888. Nyankupo Ishru be you see a warrior the papa. If you are not worry here, when you have favor from God, you get automatic favor from God. And that is why a warrior is very important. The reason why nations are going through what they are going through is that our families are breaking down because homes are breaking down. But from the beginning, do the right things. Make sure the right foundations are laid. And if your foundation has cracks, 0276 814 888. Offer me and I'll call Reverend Counselor Oscar Siripi, my Facebook page now. The Siripi is SIRIPI. Let's take it from there. Me bumper say to do the right thing when you're going to marry.
Amen.
Because we have mistake on our emo. One shouldn't for the rest of your life, When our warrior will not take anybody to heaven. Okay? Won't go heaven because we worry. But one shouldn't hear the issues in marriage, I'm
sure heaven call abo.
No more problems.
That's right.
Next week, we'll take the course. We will go back to where you call in and then. But we took this time 4 weeks, to talk about the foundations of our marriage.
Good. Counselor Oscar Sripi and Martin Nkano, or your ordained pastor, and or sounds your entrepreneur, and or sounds your registered and a licensed counselor, Ankasa, or your Juma Ebwa, I'm a family's near Wadia, to me, SCP, Esita. Oscar Sripi, counselor is his name.